If you're like me, you've tried every product out there to feel better, stronger, healthier, more balanced. But nothing worked until I discovered this castor oil trick. And no, it's not the castor oil pack everyone talks about. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living, where all natural remedies is what we're about. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Today I'm sharing the unusual way I use castor oil that changed my sleep, cleared my skin, and even helped with cold feet and pain. All with one simple trick. And yes, it's natural, affordable, and you probably have it already. Castor oil is pressed from the seeds of the ricinus plant and is rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid known for reducing inflammation, boosting circulation, and deeply moisturizing. But here's what no one told me. It's what you do with it that makes all the difference. I started rubbing castor oil on my feet. Yes, my feet before bed. Why? Because the soles absorb quickly, and it's directly connected to key organs through reflexology zones. Benefits I noticed: no more cold feet at night, deeper, uninterrupted sleep, better focus in the morning, fungal issues gone. Overall calming effect for anxiety and stress. The trick? Warm the oil slightly, massage into your feet, and cover with socks. Do it for 7 days, you'll feel the difference. Bonus uses: you'll love one. Nail strengthener, massage into cuticles for stronger, healthier nails. 2. Hairline repair. Apply along the hairline before bed to encourage growth. 3. Joint and knee relief. Rub on knees or wrists for inflammation relief. 4. Natural makeup remover. Works even on waterproof mascara while nourishing the skin. 5. Belly detox massage. Rub in circular motion on your abdomen to stimulate digestion. I never expected so much from such a simple trick. No expensive treatments, no long routines, just castor oil and consistency. This tiny habit is now part of my nightly ritual, and I'll never go without it again. If you're looking for natural ways to feel better without the chemicals, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. I've got more healing hacks and wellness tricks coming your way. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tried castor oil this way? What did you notice?